Hello, friends. It pleases me to welcome your presence on this digital platform on behalf of Department of English, KKM College Manvat. Considering the need of quality education and also to disseminate the knowledge among different social classes in the vicinity of Manvat, the college, with its rural background, was established in the year 1972. Since its establishment, the college has been taking all possible efforts to remain active in the process of quality enhancement through a focus on student centric activities. The Department of English takes a lead to keep students at the center by keeping in mind the need of students in the region. Therefore, the department has been conducting the activities such as spoken and written English classes, film club, and book club for last few years. Book club is a platform where students can read, share, and review books. The students are expected to listen, talk, and suggest on various books. In this way, it may boost skill based learning, encourage reading culture, and assist their overall development. I hope that you would encourage our students through your active listening and noteworthy suggestions. Thank you.
You have to dream before your dreams can come true. These inspirational lines are said by Dr. Kalam. Hello friends, my name is Vishakha Vasantrao Joshi. I am a BA first year student, KKM College Manwat. Today I am trying to review a wonderful book, Wings of Fire, under book club activity initiated by Department of English. I hope you are fine at your homes during this lockdown phase. It is an autobiography of India's former Honorable President and one of the greatest scientists of our country, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This book is co-authored by Mr. Arun Tiwari, who had worked with Dr. Kalam. This book is published in 1999. Before starting, I want to give you a short introduction about Dr. Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. He is born in Rameshwaram in Dhanushkodi, Tamil Nadu, to a working class Tamil family in 1931. He received his degree in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology in 1958. He joined DRDO in 1962. He successfully launched several satellites. He made a significant contribution as a project director to develop India's first endogenous satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3. Dr. Kalam has honored with India's three highest civilian honors, the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Dr. Kalam dedicated this book to his parents and teachers. Physical description of the book. The front cover of this book had a picture of Dr. Kalam and missile. This indicates Dr. Kalam's dream and vision for India as well as his dedication about his work. The book had 141 pages and it includes 16 chapters. This book is translated into various languages in Marathi as well. This book is written in a very simple language. Everyone had a question that why this book? So it is a story of a young boy who became a scientist by beating all the difficulties. This book includes Dr. Kalam's personal and professional struggle, his failures and success, the story of Agni, Prithvi, Nag, Trishul, Akash. These are the names of the missiles which has created by Dr. Kalam and his team. Considering this extraordinary, miraculous journey of Dr. Kalam, I choose this book. Content. Wings of Fire is an odyssey of a person who started his journey as a small newspaper boy to one of the greatest scientists of India. This miraculous journey of Dr. Kalam is nothing but the outcome of his tireless efforts, confidence, honesty, trust, and above all, a true love for his nation and her people. This book is divided into 4 parts. First is orientation, second is creation, third is propitiation, and fourth is contemplation. In the first segment, Dr. Kalam talks about his early life, his his childhood days, about his upbringing in the wonderful spiritual atmosphere, the values and virtues he adopted from his parents. He also talks about the difficulties he had in his early educational life. In those days, India has been fighting for the independence. Dr. Kalam shares its impact on the common people life and of course about his dream to fly. The second segment deals with Dr. Kalam's further years, his working experience, his involvement in the space. In this segment, we find scientific informations. Dr. Kalam's meeting with the great persons like Dr. Brahma Prakash, Professor Satish Dhawan, and Professor Vikram Sarabhai. The third segment is about Dr. Kalam's year from 18 to 91. Dr. Kalam's posting from ISRO to Military Defense Lab. The working experience of the making experience of Akash, Agni, Prithvi, Nag, Trishul. In this segment, we find pictures of notable moments. This segment keeps reader entertained. The fourth segment is Dr. Kalam's latter years, the awards and honors he get from various institutions. And with the conclusion, Dr. Kalam shares his dream for year 2020. Every book had a limitation, this book also. The language of this book is more technical, therefore it seems more scientific book. Moving to the conclusion, this book is capable to inspire any individual. This book is a success story of Dr. Kalam's participative management, the contribution and efforts of our scientists to making our country proud and strong in the space, rocketry and various technologies. Every student should have to read this book to know Dr. Kalam's positive thinking, his point of view in finding success from failures. This book helps any individual to stand out in his life. This book is a very inspirational. This book increases our general knowledge even more. Wings of Fire is a frank expression of Dr. Kalam's life. It is a trustworthy, notable, and of highest standards as Dr. Kalam himself was. This book offers an important lesson that finding success from failures. There is a strong message to the youngsters who usually complain about the lack of means in their life. Dr. Kalam says that we should not complain about the lack of means in our life, but overcome them. Last but not the least, stay home, stay